Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this office chair that this brand sent to me for the video. Then I have to say that this is a really good kind of like space saver chair. I say that because you can pull up, kind of like flipping the armrest right here, and then you can just get it and put it underneath your desk, which I think it's a pretty convenient thing if you lack of a space. Of course, the other good thing that I like about this one is that it is well padded, kind of like I want to say everywhere. So it has really nice pads right here on the armrest, and also a really nice calm cushion. Actually, let's take a closer look. So kind of like right here I was telling before, it has pads over here, but the thing that I like the most is kind of like this shape over here. You can see that it's kind of like calm, but it's also firm and really cushiony on the sides right here, as you can see, for better circulation. But right here it is really firm and it has this really nice shape, so when you're sitting for long periods of time, it gives you that really nice posture. Elastic mesh over here, breathable mesh, but also a really cool thing right here is that you can actually manage the kind of like height of this over here. Let me show you just like this. I forgot how to do it, but you can see that you can manage the height of the lumbar support, which I think that's another good thing to give you that really nice sitting experience. It supports 300 pounds, and as you can see over here, you can just do this with the armrest and put it in a storage position. The assembly process is super easy. Everything is explained over there, and it's going to take you probably 20 minutes or more than that. Like every other chair, yep, you can manage the height of the chair. And now it is locked, if I'm not mistaken, so I'm going to unlock it, and you can see that you have this kind of like really nice rocking feature, which I think it is pretty good just to have it and chill and relax a little bit. So supports 300 pounds, easy assemble, really nice construction overall with the flip armrest right here and the calm cushion over here that is also firm but cushiony with the breathable mesh and the adjustable lumbar support. I like it. I do recommend this with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.